Hey everyone, it's Johnny here. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you a video in which we use Tomodachi Life, Living the Dream, to teach you some English. It's kind of a test video, so it won't be that long. We're gonna teach you a vocabulary word, and we're also going to teach you how to pronounce the sentence. So we'll be doing a little bit of listening and repeating as well. Okay, so let's take a look at our English teacher.
Good
He's
evening.
Johnny, and he says, hang on,
I'm famished. I need some food in me.
I'm famished. I need some food in me. What does famished mean? Famished. What does it mean? I'm famished. I need some food in me. Famished means to be very hungry. You can also say, I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. We do use that in English if you're really, really hungry. Okay, so please try to memorize this word and use it when you're very hungry. Now, let's go on and do a little bit of listening and repeating. So, how this will work is I will say the sentence, stop, give you a chance to say it. Then we'll do it again. Focus on the sounds. Seeing me isn't important. Use your ears, okay, and try to copy me. Okay, here we go. I'm famished. I need some food in me. Your turn. I'm famished. I need some food in me. Your turn. That E has a T sound. I'm famished. I need some food in me. Okay? Are you able to copy me? Are you able to mimic me? Okay, great. So this is just our test run, and I will see you next time. Thank you.